Hi everyone, I am so excited today to use the Westman Atelier Holiday Box. Packaging, 10 out of 10, product, 10 out of 10, my love for Gucci Westman. 10 out of 10, 12 out of 10. I'm going to be playing around with the products that come in the box. So first of all, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. You know when you used to get like those sets from like the drugstore and for Christmas it would take $39.99 for like some Britney Spears Fantasy perfume kit? This is the adult version of one of those kits, and you definitely need it. The holiday set comes with the Super Loaded Tinted Highlight in Peau de Rosé, which I have tried and absolutely love. But then the real star are these two new shades of Westman Atelier products. So we have Baby Cheeks Blush in Mimi, and we have the Lit Up Highlight Stick in Nectar, which I'm probably the most excited to try because the regular Lit Up Highlight Stick is one of my favorite products of all time. The new color shades are Nectar, the Lit Up Highlight Stick, which is more of a peachy pink, when the normal Lit Up Highlight Stick is more of like a translucent moonlit glow. This whole set is a little bit more pinky peach tones to me. It's gonna give you a festive holiday glow from we're all sitting at home wondering where this year went. You're gonna look great. And then Mimi, I think, is going to be the shade of my dreams because I've been looking for that like tawny, kind of neutral 90s shade because I'm feeling very nostalgic for the 90s. I'm feeling nostalgic for any time that isn't 2020. I mean, it's perfect. It's perfect. I can't wait to try this on. I'm not gonna waste any more time being depressing. Let's do it. So I've already prepped my skin with a little bit of the Westman Atelier foundation stick, and I'm going to start with the Super Loaded Tinted Highlight, which honestly, genius packaging. Instead of trying to like rip it out with your nails and damage it, it comes with that little lift up, and you just go. So I treat the Peau de Rosé a little bit different than I treat my Peau de Peach. I hope I'm saying this all right. I took 5 French classes and then totally failed. I should have stayed, just so I could do better at these videos. I'll do better. But the Super Loaded Tinted Highlight in Peach, I really do it more all over like a little blush, but the Rosé, I like to kind of target it a little more in a specific area. So I like to use my finger. You could definitely use a brush. I have one here. And above my cheekbone, just to give a little bit of that color. And it's just that glow that really comes from within. This color, this shade is also absolutely gorgeous on eyelids. I kind of want to try the Lit Up highlight stick on my eyelids. Do a little on my Cupid's bow, and do a little right there. There are no rules here. I'm going in next with the Lit Up highlight stick in Nectar, which again is more of like a peachy neutral highlight as opposed to more of the translucent one that is part of the original Westman Atelier line. I almost don't even want to use it because it's so pretty, but I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna go kind of a half moon shape around that other highlight I just did and blend it into my hairline so it's very natural. Dab, dab, dab. No, it's not that kind of video. I'm gonna take it with my finger and do a little bit on my nose. And I'm actually gonna do it on my lids because I'm really trying to achieve just a very natural, dewy glow. That is a glow. This is the life of a glow getter. Thank you, I will literally be here for one more week. Okay, original Lit Up highlight stick. I love you so much, but Nectar's coming for your neck. This is everything, everything. Now, if you have more of a golden undertone to your skin, I think this holiday set is especially going to be wonderful for you because the pink tones just complement it so nicely where it looks like the glow is coming from within you. Not an outside product, but maybe they're like, oh, it's natural. She was just out in the snow, like looking like the main character, looking like an angel, and then she came inside. That's the look. Next, I'm going for Mimi, my new favorite girl. And a good trick I try to follow here, if you don't know where to put your blush and it ends up like down here, up here, first of all, follow your cheekbone, but put your 2 fingers here and then go from there. And you can use a brush, you can use your fingers. I use a beauty blender. Or I could just leave it like this. It's kind of cute. I can already say I think this is my new favorite Baby Cheeks shade. I love Petal. And I absolutely love Dao Dao, but this to me is like winter glow look, healthy skin. I'll do a teensy bit on my nose. You know what, for good measure, I'm just gonna put some on my lips. Ooh! This is just a winter angel look. You know, before this, I feel like I was looking like the abominable snowman. Now I'm that angel on top of your tree. I'm finishing off Mimi, I'm even just putting a little bit on my forehead to get all that well-rounded color, but I am blown away by this shade. It's that perfect tawny neutral I've been looking for, and I wanna make it look like I'm not really wearing blush, but I wanna add a little bit of color to my cheeks. Finishing off here with the Westman Atelier Lip Suede. I'm using the last shade because I have found that it is a really great neutral, and if I'm feeling a little bit saucy, I can mix it with one of the other colors in here. Like going out to like bars and clubs used to make me feel saucy, and now it's mixing lipstick colors. I need this year to be over. Yep. And I just finished off the look with the I Love You mascara. I didn't think you need to see me use an eyelash curler, but it gives you like an instant kind of like falsies lash, which is great for me because I have never not been able to get the glue in my eyes. So thanks for this. This is going to be my new go-to winter neutral glowy look, especially working from home, especially staying indoors. Sometimes I like to put on a little bit of something extra to make myself feel good, and this is going to be it for me. It makes me feel so naturally beautiful. So like I just have the glow from within and haven't been eating the Trader Joe's gingerbread men like 10 times a day, every day. This is an official PSA. We don't want those like perfume sets with like 2 travel sizes and then a mini lotion and like a body wash that we're never gonna use. Men, women, this is what we want.